This is my first time making this kind of video, and also I'm not a native English speaker, so if my speech gets a little bit weird or annoying, I apologize. On May 12, 2024, or about 1 month ago, I started learning coding for the first time, which is Lua and Gmod Lua from Code Blue's playlist. I wanted to try a new hobby and also create Gmod add-ons for myself to play. Also, I still have time before the first year of university starts, so I want to do something before I get too busy. After I finished Gmod playlist, I decided to take a break from Gmod Lua. Let me show you one of my proudest works. I didn't upload anywhere though because it's unfinished. Yeah, I deliberately chose to make Mario stuff because I just had an urge to do it after Gmod problem with Nintendo. Thought it would be pretty funny. I started learning Unity by watching Braggy's Unity beginner tutorial playlist. Thanks to the experiences I have with Gmod Lua, I found it pretty easy to understand. And just like when I learned with Code Blue, every time I finish a video of the playlist, I would go into my playground and make stuff using what I learned from the tutorial. I ended up making a pretty wholesome game. Which is not that interesting, so I'm not gonna show this for too long. On June 7, 2024, I finished the EP 10 of this playlist, and after that, I decided to stop watching video tutorials completely. The reason for that is because from my experience with both Code Blue and Braggy's playlist tutorial, I feel like I depend too much on video tutorials. When there was something I didn't understand, even if there might be information on wikis or documentations, I just didn't know how to search for it. Even if I found something in there, I wouldn't even understand anything in the page. That's why instead of watching video tutorials, I decided to learn everything through Unity documentation. I still Google sometimes though, but no more tutorials. I just keep reading and reading and reading until I see things that might be useful for my game. And it worked. Even though I skipped a few things that I don't need right now though. That was when I realized that the reason I couldn't understand anything in the wikis before was because I just needed to read from the beginning. Every single word, every single line, every single keyword, I just needed to know how to read a documentation. And that was my prologue for my devlog. Allow me to show you a little bit of a sneak peek to the latest development of my game.